2026 Kenworth Wooden Motorhome. A name that already speaks volumes about innovation, craftsmanship, and luxury. This is not just a vehicle. It is a statement of lifestyle, a moving masterpiece that blends the strength of Kenworth's engineering with the elegance of a five-star hotel. Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. Here we bring you the finest, most exclusive motorhomes in the world. And today's feature is something truly extraordinary. The 2026 Kenworth Wooden Motorhome is a creation that redefines what it means to travel in style, comfort, and prestige. Let's begin with the exterior. The structure of this motorhome is unlike anything you've seen before. Built on a powerful Kenworth chassis, it carries the boldness of a semi-truck, but transforms it into a yacht-like body with sweeping aerodynamic curves. The exterior color palette is a blend of polished wood textures and metallic accents, giving it a unique shine that catches the sunlight in a way that feels almost cinematic. The glass panels stretch across multiple levels, allowing you to see glimpses of the luxurious interior even from outside. Every detail of the exterior has been designed to impress. Chrome trims, sculpted body lines, and a commanding presence that makes this motorhome stand out wherever it goes. Now imagine this motorhome cruising along the highways of America. Picture it climbing through mountain passes, the panoramic glass reflecting the peaks and valleys, the polished body gleaming against the backdrop of nature. On the open road, it looks majestic and captivating, a true symbol of freedom and wealth. Visitors and onlookers cannot help but stop and stare. It is the kind of vehicle that instantly communicates prestige, kind of motorhome that only the richest and most discerning travelers would choose. On highways, it glides effortlessly, and in the mountains, it becomes a moving piece of art, blending engineering with elegance. But the real magic begins when we step inside. The interior of the 2026 Kenworth Wooden Motorhome is a world of its own. Let's start with the TV lounge. This area is designed for relaxation and entertainment, with plush leather seating, a large flat-screen television, ambient lighting, and polished surfaces that reflect the glow of the LEDs. It feels like a private cinema, yet it is inside a motorhome. The lounge is spacious, inviting, and perfect for unwinding after a long drive. Next, we move to the bedroom. This is not just any bedroom. It is a five-star suite on wheels. The king size bed is upholstered with premium fabrics, the headboard is illuminated with subtle lighting, and the entire room is finished with high-gloss wood panels and marble flooring. Side tables, chrome lamps, and panoramic windows make the space feel both luxurious and comfortable. It is the kind of bedroom that makes you forget you are inside a motorhome, because it feels exactly like a luxury hotel suite. We step into the open kitchen. This kitchen is grand, spacious, and designed for both functionality and style. Glossy marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, brushed aluminum fixtures, and elegant cabinetry make it a chef's dream. Behind the kitchen, multiple dining tables with premium chairs are arranged like a hotel banquet hall, allowing guests to enjoy meals in a setting that feels refined and social. The open kitchen is not just about cooking, it is about creating experiences, about sharing food in a space that feels luxurious and welcoming. Now let's talk about the driver cockpit. This is where engineering meets elegance. The cockpit features a premium leather captain's seat, a modern dashboard with digital displays, and brushed aluminum trims. The Kenworth logo is proudly displayed on the dashboard, reminding you of the heritage and strength behind this motorhome. Through the panoramic windshield, the highway stretches ahead, sometimes with other luxury cars driving alongside, creating a scene that feels cinematic and powerful. The cockpit is not just a place to drive, it is a throne from which you command the road. The seating areas throughout the motorhome are equally impressive. Multiple lounges, elegant chairs, polished tables, and ambient lighting create spaces for conversation, relaxation, and entertainment. Each area is designed with attention to detail, from the textures of the fabrics to the reflections on the glass. The interior is cohesive, luxurious, and perfectly balanced between comfort and sophistication. Performance is another highlight. The 2026 Kenworth Wooden Motorhome is not just about looks. It is about power and speed. Built on a strong Kenworth chassis, it delivers smooth handling on highways and reliable performance in mountainous terrain. The engine is powerful enough to carry the massive structure with ease, while advanced suspension ensures comfort for everyone inside. It is a motorhome that combines strength with elegance, speed with stability. And here's something exciting. Word has it that a famous celebrity, none other than Leonardo DiCaprio, has expressed interest in owning this model. Known for his taste in luxury and sustainability, he sees the 2026 Kenworth's Wooden Motorhome as the perfect blend of prestige and innovation. When celebrities look at this motorhome, they see more than a vehicle. They see a lifestyle, a symbol of success, and a way to travel the world without sacrificing comfort. Asterisk, as we come to the end of this video, I want to thank all of you, our audience, for watching it all the way through. Your support means everything, and it is because of you that we continue to bring the finest motorhome content to this channel. Remember, in the United States, this model is among the most sought-after luxury motorhomes, chosen by those who want the very best. Asterisk. So here's what I ask from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible motorhome content. And don't forget to comment below with the name of your favorite motorhome. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps us grow and bring even more exciting videos to this community. Asterisk, thank you once again for being part of this journey. The 2026 Kenworth Wooden Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is a dream on wheels, a moving palace, and a symbol of luxury that will forever change the way we think about travel.